crying little.
Japan.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Capri. If you're new here, welcome girl. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right on into it. If you are not new here, you're not new to the fact that LuvMe Hair has been hooking your girl up, and I've been showing y'all some really bomb hair units from them. So today they hooked your girl up once again. So today I'm going to be reviewing it's a Jerry Curl Headband Wig. So I already reviewed like 2 other headband wigs, but this one is a Jerry Curl, and I think it's going to be really cute because I've seen some pictures before on other girls wearing it. So let's get right on into it. So first and foremost, your hair is going to come in this lovely LuvMe Hair purple box with a ribbon. So I like that little touch that they just, you know, make it feel real royal and regal. So I'm gonna open the box up. Of course, we have the hair in a nice little purple satchel with the gold LuvMe Hair on it. And like I said, this is a 20-inch Jerry Curl wig. And with the headband wigs, they send you 5, yes girl, 5 different headbands that you can place over the black headband that's already on it. So they hook a sister up. So go ahead and get into it. Also, you have wig caps. So there's 2 in a pack. And you also get a lovely gift pack. So in the little gift pouch you have, it says LuvMe Hair on it. It's like an iridescent gift pouch. Oh, okay, so I got something new this time that I didn't have before. So you get the little edge wrap. So they brought this back. It says LuvMe Hair Affordable Luxury Wig. So I'm loving this. Thank you, LuvMe Hair. I'm gonna do something a little bit different this time. At the end of this video, if you stick around, girl, I will be giving away a $25 gift card. And I'm going to tell you at the end of the video what you have to do to win this gift card. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all want to watch the whole review. So let's get into these headbands that they send with it. They give you this nice springtime yellow headband. You also get this paisley print headband. That's really cute, like a little retro style there. There's another yellow and blue one with little green. So this is pretty for spring as well. You get my favorite, the leopard print, because I love, who don't love a good leopard print or some kind of animal print for their hair? That's really cute, and it has like the double style right there in the middle. And last but not least, you got the camo headband. And that's really cute as well. So that's all the 5 headbands that you get with it. Let's get into this hair, child. So I'm gonna open it up, and I think I'm really excited about this one because, you know, when the little ads be popping up on Facebook from LuvMe Hair, this is like my favorite one that I've been looking at. So let's see, take the net off. So it is looking like a true 20-inch wig, and this is not even stretched out. This is not with any water or anything on it. So this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on. I already have my wig cap on. I got my edges laid down and just have a little bit of the front left out. And inside the wig, you do have 4 combs, 1 on the front, 2 on the sides, and you have 1 in the back. And you also have the adjustable headband that gets attached by Velcro. So you just Velcro that, snap it in the back, bam, you're good to go. asked last time, what do these headband wigs look like without any hair left out? So this is what it would look like. It's just a black band that goes all the way around. So if you don't want to leave any edges out or anything, you can totally do that, and you can pop a headband on for a little pop of color. So you can totally customize this however you want. However, I like to double mine back in the front so that it can show a little bit of the hairline. And then I'll put a headband on top of that. And this is what the hair looks like without even combing or brushing it out or finger combing. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a little bit of my water mixture mixed with a little bit of conditioner. And then I'm gonna go over that with my Aussie Headstrong Volume foaming mousse. So yeah, this is going to help keep the curls definition in. So if you want a little bit longer look and it won't look like it's a little, you know, frizzy or anything, definitely put some mousse on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this is the final look once I added the water and conditioner and the mousse to both sides. This is so, look at the curl on this, y'all. Look at the curl, look. This is like so bomb. It's not too big and it's just enough puff because I like big hair. I don't know about y'all, but I love big hair. So this is right up my alley. Super cute. So what I'm about to do is try on the different headbands, and I'm going to give you some different looks that you can do with this hair. This hair is very versatile. It's very soft. You can definitely wash it when you feel like you got too much product in it, or you just want to get a freshen up. You can wash it and the curls will come back very beautifully, sis. Okay, so you need to go ahead and pick this up like right now. I even have a coupon code for you. If you use the code GUP20, you'll get 20% off. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I am doing a giveaway for a $25 gift card. So all you have to do to get entered is follow me on Instagram at SheIsCapri, and go ahead and drop your Instagram name down below in the comments, and make sure you're liking this video. And also, Girl, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit the subscription button down below and definitely hit that bell notification right next to it so you can be notified every time that I upload a new poppin' video. So that is all for today. I'm gonna go ahead and check in with y'all on the next video, and as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe. Love y'all.